between December 30, 2016 and February 9, 2017, dozens of USA government officials reported feeling strange signs and symptoms. When the agency sent reinforcements to Havana, at least 2 of them were affected as well. Each of the victims described being bombarded by pressure waves in their heads. Soon, the syndrome spread to other embassy workers and spies in countries such as Austria, Germany, and the US itself. But while some people ignored this fact, one man was able to prove this attack scientifically, and later he proved the assassination of one of America's most important women. This would be the beginning of the investigation of the Havana Syndrome and the murder of Ivana Trump. In the chain of events, Igor Zijan discovers repetitive happening on the 14th of July each year. Starting on July 14, 2017, when someone, which is for now anonymous, applied to the Rich Dad coaching program in Switzerland. Igor considered checking the spread of Havana Syndrome activity with a focus on research and development in the same year, continuing his research from previous years. At the same time, alleged attacks on US intelligence personnel were reported in increasing locations, including in Moscow, Russia, Tbilisi, Poland, Georgia, Taiwan, and Australia. Other reports came from Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Colombia, and Austria. Soon, the attack also spread to US and Canadian embassies. In early 2018, Global Affairs Canada ended family postings to Cuba and recalled all staff with families. It was reported that several Canadians affected in 2017 could still not resume work due to the severity of their ailments. The lack of knowledge of the cause of Havana Syndrome in February 2019 made it difficult for the Royal Canadian Mounted Police to investigate. But who could have benefited from the attack on US and Canadian diplomats on Cuban soil? And how did they carry this out? Could we be looking at a new weapon we have never heard of before? The National Academy of Scientists believes that the wave of mysterious brain injuries that began in Cuba in 2016 likely resulted from some kind of directed energy device and the CIA. So the State Department and the Pentagon have launched investigations.